Chapter 10, number 39. A child pedals a tricycle, giving the driving wheel an angular speed of omega equals 0.875 revs per second, as shown in the figure. If the radius of the wheel is r equals 0.260 meters, what is the child's linear speed? And this really comes down to a crucial but simple formula that your speed forward has to equal r omega for the wheel to not slip. They don't actually kind of say it, but we're assuming the child is not skidding out of control. So we can just plug in some numbers here. We can say we have 0.260 meters times 0.875 revs per sec. But we have to remember that to get this result right, this has to be in radians. So I'll change revolutions to radians by remembering that there are 2 pi radians in 1 full revolution. And that gives us 1.429 meters per second. And looking that we have 3 sig figs everywhere, it's really 1.43 meters per second.